In today's video, we'll be going through the Amazon hiring process, looking over the application process, background check, training, and much, much more. So if you're looking to apply to Amazon as a warehouse worker or within their fulfillment facility, this video is perfect for you. So in today's video, we're going to cover the following. Number one, the online application. Number two, the background check and drug test. Number three, pre-hire appointment. Number four, offer and onboarding. Number five, how long does it take? So how long does the entire process take? And number six, pay and benefits snapshot. Let's get started with the online application. When you apply for an hourly warehouse role at Amazon, the first thing you'll notice is that you don't need a resume. The online application consists of providing some information about yourself and selecting your preferred shift. This step usually takes about 20 minutes. Where to apply? Go to amazon.jobs and search by city or zip code, filtering by job type, warehouse, delivery, etc. Applications take approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Amazon also runs virtual job fairs that allow same-day scheduling of next steps. So if you're lucky enough to get into one of the virtual job fairs, you will be able to have a same-day scheduling of the next steps. So for example, whatever the next steps I will be talking about in this video, you could schedule a lot of them if you did take part in a virtual job fair. Creating your account. After selecting your shift, you'll be prompted to log into your existing account or create a new account with your email address and 6-digit PIN you can remember. You'll then be asked to verify your account either through email or mobile phone. Filling out the application. Once signed in, click Create Application. Read through the questions and ensure you provide all required information before submitting. That is very important. Make sure you provide all the information. There is a 3-hour time limit. If you can't complete it within this time, you'll have to go back and reselect your shift, and your original shift choice may no longer be available. So my recommendation is that once you start your application, be ready to complete it then and there. Because if you have to go back, a lot of the options you choose during your original application process may not be available, like the shift. So make sure you do it the first time around. What the application covers. Applicants typically provide basic identity and contact details. Availability is also captured to schedule assessments and start dates. Accurate availability data is critical as it affects shift coverage. The application focuses on availability rather than detailed work history. No interview required. Now this is something very important and that many candidates who apply to Amazon are very happy about. Amazon's hiring process for most hourly roles does not include an interview. The online application is largely the gateway to moving forward. Now, I did research this on Reddit and other communities, and this is correct. Amazon does not require an interview for a lot of the hourly roles. Step number 2, background check and drug test. After submitting your application and receiving a contingent job offer, Amazon initiates both a background check and a drug test before formally hiring you. These two screenings happen in parallel and are handled by third-party providers. You don't start work until both come back clear. The background check. No matter the position, warehouse, delivery, corporate, or seasonal, Amazon runs a background check on every applicant, no exceptions. Even temporary Amazon jobs for the holidays or part-time warehouse associates must clear background checks. Vendor and contractor staff. Many vendors who work inside Amazon facilities are run through background checks too. What does it cover? Warehouse or fulfillment positions typically include criminal history, identity verification, and drug testing. More specifically, Amazon reviews your criminal convictions and arrest record, employment history, and identity details. You will need to provide detailed information about your past employers, including dates of employment, job titles, and references. Amazon uses this information to verify the accuracy of your employment history. Who conducts it? Amazon uses a third-party provider for its criminal background searches. The company contracts with other providers to obtain and report on background information. In the event of an adverse action event, Amazon must disclose who is conducting background checks on their behalf. How far back does it go? Now, this is very important. The look back period for an Amazon background check is usually 7 years, but it varies by state law and job type. Under the FCRA, non-convictions like arrest or civil judgments older than 7 years shouldn't appear. However, criminal convictions can appear indefinitely. How long does it take? An Amazon background check might take only a few days or a week or more. There is no surefire way to know. Amazon does say that the company makes a hiring decision within a few business days of receiving results. Delays can occur if there is conflicting or missing information, or if a state record repository has a backlog. What can get you disqualified? If Amazon discovers discrepancies between the information you provided on your application and the details verified through employment checks, it may lead to disqualification. Always ensure your employment history is accurate and up to date. The drug test. Amazon primarily uses oral fluid mouth swab tests for warehouse and general positions because they are quick and detect recent use, typically within 24 to 72 hours. Urine tests are used for DOT regulated positions as required by federal regulations. What substances are screened? The drug screen is a 6-panel saliva drug test. It only tests for the most common drugs: opiates, opioids, meth, cocaine, benzos, and THC. What about marijuana? Amazon removed marijuana from its pre-employment screening for all non-DOT positions in 2021. Amazon now treats marijuana the same as alcohol. However, DOT regulated positions such as CDL drivers, which is commercial driver's licenses like truck drivers, and pilots are still tested for THC as required by federal law. Amazon pharmacy employees are also tested for THC. Random and post-accident testing. Warehouse workers can still be tested after a workplace accident or if there is a reasonable suspicion of impairment on the job. Random drug screenings can also occur after hiring. After both screenings clear, if you have a clean drug test and clear background check, you're good to go, and you'll move on to completing the last of your employment paperwork. You'll then receive a coupon code to buy safety shoes at Zeppos and be given your official start date. Great, let's move on to step number 3, the pre-hire appointment. The pre-hire appointment is your one and only in-person visit as part of the hiring process for hourly warehouse roles. Unlike the hiring process at most other jobs, this appointment doesn't consist of knowledge-based interviews or assessments. So that's very important to understand. This does not consist of knowledge-based interviews or assessments. The staff conducting it are checking documentation and processing your onboarding, not evaluating your job fit. It is purely administrative. Now, here's something important. You don't get paid to go to a pre-hire appointment. It is part of the application process. Before you arrive, what to do first? Check your pre-hire appointment details and confirm the date, time, and address. Watch the new hire video required before day 1. Optionally complete your Form I-9 in advance to save time at the appointment. Optionally submit your batch photo in advance or have it taken at the event. Per federal guidelines, Amazon cannot accept copies or expired documents. Location notice. All of this is usually done at the same Amazon building where you will be working, whether it will be a fulfillment center, delivery station, or sortation center. However, in some instances, you may be required to attend your hiring appointment at a different building than the one you are applying for. Always review the address in your confirmation email before leaving. How long does it take? The appointment is typically 20 to 30 minutes total. However, expect this step to take from a couple to several hours, depending on how many new hires are being recruited that same day. A good rule of thumb is to set aside at least half the day for finishing your pre-hire appointment. What happens at the appointment? Form I-9 verification. You'll need to present original documents to prove both your identity and employment authorization. you'll need to present one document from List A, which establishes both identity and employment authorization, or one document from List B, identity, along with one from List C, employment authorization. A driver's license or state ID plus your social security card works for most people. So a driver's license or state ID plus your social security card will be fine. If you don't have a social security card, a passport works as a standalone List A document. Badge photo. Bring photo ID in order to receive your badge. You can also submit your badge photo in advance through your Amazon Jobs account before arriving. Shift confirmation. You'll confirm your shift assignment at this appointment. What to bring? Valid, unexpired government issued photo ID, driver's license or state ID, social security card or a U.S. passport which satisfies both identity and employment authorization on its own, any other documents listed in your pre-hire checklist email. Copies are not accepted, originals only. Rescheduling. If you need to reschedule, log into your candidate account, click the menu in the upper right hand corner, click Jobs I've applied to, then under My Appointments, click the action button next to your scheduled appointment. You can reschedule up to 24 hours before your appointment without affecting your application status. This is very important, okay? After the appointment, completing your pre-hire appointment will yield you an email with a contingent job offer, essentially an offer guaranteeing your employment at Amazon provided your background check and drug test are clear. However, keep in mind that due to the contingency of the offer, it is possible that the offer will be revoked if there are problems with either your background check or drug test. If you pass both, you'll receive the rest of your onboarding paperwork and a coupon code to buy safety shoes at Zappos. Let's move on to step number 4, offer and onboarding. So part A, the formal job offer. Once cleared from the background check and drug test, Amazon will send you a conditional offer letter with your start date, shift assignment, and pay rate. Most new hires start within 1 to 3 weeks of applying. Number 1, accepting the offer. After your screenings clear, you log back into your Amazon Jobs account and use the pre-hire checklist to complete the following. Check the status on your contingent offer, including background check and drug test results. Once you pass, accept the formal job offer and complete employment paperwork. This will be done from your online Amazon Jobs account. Pay rate. Amazon's minimum starting pay is $18 per hour for most warehouse and fulfillment positions in 2026. Delivery drivers can earn $20 to $26 per hour. Pay varies based on your location and the shift you select. Night shift and overnight associates can earn $18.50 to $24 an hour, which includes a shift differential of about 50 cents to about $2 an hour, depending on the facility and location. Part B, pre-day 1 onboarding tasks. Before your first day, you are required to complete several tasks through your Amazon Jobs account. These are done remotely from home. Number 1, employment paperwork e-signing. You'll be sent onboarding and employment paperwork to e-sign. This paperwork consists of agreeing to Amazon's policies, filling out your W-4 tax information, and filling out your direct deposit information. Number 2, safety shoes, Zappos credit. You'll be given a $10 voucher to buy safety shoes on Zappos. You must do this before your first day. You cannot work as a warehouse associate at Amazon without proper protective footwear. Number 3, set up the Amazon A to Z app. A to Z is Amazon's primary employee portal for hourly associates. It lets you clock in, view schedules, swap shifts, check pay stubs, manage direct deposit, access anytime pay, and contact the Employee Resource Center. Download it from the standard app stores and log in with the Amazon credentials provided during onboarding. Number 4, watch hire video. Watch the new hire orientation video before day 1. The video acts as a tool to align employee understanding with company policies and work culture from the onset, and reduces the need for extensive initial training sessions. Number 5, the net training. You will also complete Net Training, Amazon's internal e-learning system, which covers foundational knowledge, including facility rules and site-specific logistics before you step foot on the floor. Part C, New Hire Orientation Day 1. When you arrive for your first day at Amazon, you will dive deeper into the details of your work, including onboarding and training on important safety rules. You begin with comprehensive New Hire Orientation, NHO, sessions that decode internal Day 1 terminology, explain facility rules, and review site-specific logistics. Before handling inventory, you will watch an extensive series on safety videos detailing ergonomic lifting protocols, hazard identification, evacuation procedures. Your learning ambassador. An Amazon learning ambassador will meet you and take you to the training area to complete your orientation. This person guides you through your first day and is your go-to resource for questions about tools, systems, and safety. Badge. Your badge will be in the lobby. You'll use this badge to get into the building. Part D, pay and first paycheck. Amazon pays most warehouse associates on Fridays. Whether the facility runs a weekly or bi-weekly schedule, you can confirm your exact pay dates through the A to Z app under the pay section. Many associates report seeing deposits appear overnight or early morning on payday Friday. Most will receive their first paycheck 1 to 3 weeks after starting. Anytime Pay is Amazon's Earned Wage Access program. It lets eligible associates access up to 75% of eligible earned pay before the official Friday payday. So that is an awesome benefit that Amazon provides. Through Amazon Anytime Pay, you can access 75% of your eligible earned pay before the official payday, which is Friday. That's excellent because not a lot of companies do that. Let's look at Amazon Warehouse's worker benefits overview. Health and medical. Amazon offers some of the highest quality health insurance in the country to its full-time employees. The premiums are fairly low. The deductibles are also low depending on which plan you pick, and there are many different plans available. One standout feature noted by employees is that another thing that distinguishes Amazon's insurance from that of other employers is the day 1 availability, no 90-day wait period. So that is huge. So other companies usually give you a 90-day, which is a 3-month probationary period before you have access to the benefits. Amazon does not do that. If you are a full-time employee, you get benefits from day 1. There is no 90-day waiting period. Pay and weekly paycheck. Amazon pays most warehouse and fulfillment center associates between $18 and $22 per hour, with the actual number depending heavily on location, shift, and role. Amazon pays hourly associates on a weekly schedule every Friday for most facilities. In addition, overnight shifts are typically easier to get and pay slightly more due to the shift differential. 401k retirement plan. Amazon workers get access to a 401k retirement plan. You can set money aside for the future and take advantage of the 50% company match. Career choice tuition assistance. Amazon will pay up to 95% of your tuition and fees for employees who want to earn a GED, college degree, or vocational certification. This program is called Career Choice and is widely regarded as one of the most competitive education benefits in the warehouse and retail industry. The Career Choice program also allows you to obtain certifications or degrees that then qualify you to be promoted into different career tracks, such as IT or reliability and maintenance engineering within Amazon. So remember, you can own certifications through this program that will later on help you move within Amazon as a company into different roles. Paid time off and holidays. Employees accrue paid time off in addition to company paid holidays. And when you need more time for some of life's bigger moments, such as caring for a new child or an ill family member, Amazon offers several paid and unpaid leave options. If you're a full-time employee, you get paid time off for holidays. Parental and family benefits. Amazon employees get 6 weeks of paid parental leave, and there's also assistance available for those looking to adopt. The benefits package includes innovative programs such as Leave Share and Ramp Back. The Leave Share program lets employees share their Amazon paid leave with their spouse or domestic partner if their spouse's employer doesn't offer paid leave. Employee discount. Amazon provides a 20% discount on Amazon.com purchases up to $1,000 per year. Anytime pay, earned wage access. This was something that I did mention before. As covered in the onboarding section, Anytime Pay is Amazon's earned wage access program. It lets eligible associates access up to 75% of eligible earned pay before the official Friday payday. Okay, great. So I put this chart together here where you can see the full-time versus part-time comparison in benefits. So if you're a full-time employee, you have a list of everything that is available to you, and you can see that with the green check marks right underneath the full-time column. If you're a part-time employee, you can see what is available to you as a part-time employee with Amazon. You can pause this video here, take a quick look. Great. So this was an overview of the Amazon hiring process, the application background check, training, and more. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section below and I will go out and help find those answers for you to help you on your career journey. If you want to learn more on how to land jobs and reach your career goals, don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell notification button to get new videos every single week. Also, don't forget to hit that like button because that motivates me to keep doing what I do. Stay safe, keep smiling, and good luck.